I ended up going back and taking the fuel pump off. I figured I could work on that inside as well. Took it all apart. The check ball that's in here is fine. It's good and clean. I don't know if it's a stainless ball or not, but I believe there should be a ball down here in the bottom of this. Most fuel pumps have two check valves, one for suction and one for pressure. So there's no ball in here. So I think the major issue with this pump is that that check is missing. It needs to be repacked. The plunger's a little pitted. And I actually have some plungers here that I made years ago. Not sure whether I change it. It all depends on how well you get the packing material to pull down on that shaft. I've got some packing material around here somewhere, but it's been so long since I repacked the pump. It'll probably take a little time to find, but I got some of the old graphite packing plus the new Teflon packing here around this shop somewhere, but I'll have to dig that up. But all right, so that's it for today. Probably spend another half hour, 40 minutes on it today after I said I was all done. All right, bye.